Hello friends, welcome in my YouTube channel Shraddha Study Zone. My name is Tilak. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. In future I will make video on all the topics of general studies and engineering aptitude for ESE. I will make videos on engineering mathematics as well as reasoning aptitude topics also. I will also make videos on technical part of electronics and communication engineering branch for GATE and ESE. If you satisfied with my video, please like my video. If you have any doubt or query, please ask me on comment box. I will reply as soon as possible. Hello friends, welcome in my YouTube channel Shraddha Study Zone. My name is Tilak. Today I will be discussing about GATE exams. Full form is a graduate aptitude test in engineering. In this lecture I will be tell you about overview of GATE exams, important dates, eligibility or age limit, exam pattern, syllabus, cut-off marks, topper marks, general studies subjects, timetable, preparation strategy, and why student fail in exam. All these things I will be discuss in this lectures. Now let's start our lecture with overview. First thing is what is the use of GATE scorecard. If you suppose if you have qualified GATE exams or if you get a GATE scorecard, what is the significant use of GATE scorecard? Now if you want to job in government job in PSUs, then GATE scorecard is mandatory for some of the PSUs. Many PSUs requirement process done through GATE scorecard. If you want to admissions in IITs, NITs, in MTech, then GATE scorecard is very useful there. For some of the IITs, NITs also take PhD admissions through GATE scorecard. Validity of GATE scorecard is 3 years. Important dates of GATE exams. Notifications will be come out on August last week. Exams will be conducted on February first week. Result will be displayed on 13th of March. Now come to the next point, eligibility. First thing I will discuss educational qualifications. If you have any one of the above mentioned qualifications, then you have to apply for GATE exams. Suppose if you have any one of the degree course like BE, BTech, B Pharma, B Architecture, BSc in Research, BS Bachelor degree in Science, MS, MCA, MCA or equivalent, MA, Master degree in any branch of science, Master degree in Mathematics, Statistics, Computer Applications, integrated course in ME or MTech, Post BSc, integrated course in MSc, integrated course in VSMS. If you have any one of the qualifications, then you can easily apply for GATE examinations. There is no age limit for GATE examinations. There is no percentage limit for GATE examinations, or there is no attempt limit for GATE examinations. You can apply for multiple times for GATE exams. Now come to the next point, exam pattern of GATE exam. In GATE paper there is total 65 questions of 100 marks. Out of 65 questions, 10 questions from general aptitude or 55 questions from your technical branch. In 10 questions from general aptitude, 5 questions of 2 marks and remaining 5 questions of 1 marks. Out of 55 questions from technical branch, 30 questions of 2 marks and remaining 25 questions of 1 marks. Total 100 marks. Out of 100 marks, the weightage of technical as well as mathematics subject is 85 marks and reasoning aptitude and English subject is 15 marks. Now come to the next point, timetable. In GATE syllabus, every branch have approximately 10 subject, 10 to 11 subjects per branch. On an average, there is 10 subjects only for every branch. I will recommend you 180 days preparation strategy plans, means 6-month strategy plans. 6-month strategy starts from July to December, means total 6 months. You have already know in 1 month there is 30 days, means 6 months, total 180 days. This 180 days, I will break this 180 days in 3 categories: 70 days plus 60 days plus 50 days. As you know, we have 10 subjects for our technical branch. If you divide this 10 subject, then for first time study, if we take 70 days, means we have for one subject study 7 days, means per subject study we have 7 days. For second time study we have 60 days, means 6 days for a subject. For third time study we have 5 days for a subject. This is a timetable for 6-month strategy. If you have your own strategy plan, then you can follow your own strategy plans. I will recommend you, if you follow this strategy plans, your preparation will be completed in just 6 months. If you fresher, then to complete a subject it will take more time also. If you have a fresher, if you set your target highest, if you suppose to complete all the syllabus in 180 days, then it will be completed in 190 to 200 days. Means if we choose to complete a subject in 7 days, then it will take 8 or 9 days to complete for a subject. This is a normal tendency for human being. Please try to study more than 10 to 12 hours for a day, then all this syllabus year of GATE exams will be completed within 180 days. Now come to the next point, syllabus. First I will tell you about engineering mathematics syllabus. Engineering mathematics consists of mainly 6 topics: linear algebra, calculus, differential equation, complex variable, probability and statistics, and numerical method. General aptitude syllabus are, this is official syllabus of general aptitude: numerical ability, numerical computations, numerical estimations, numerical reasoning and data interpretations. In verbal ability, there is English grammar, sentence completions, verbal analogy, word groups, instructions, critical reasoning and verbal deductions. Now I will tell you about study material and books. For reasoning aptitude, best book is the R.S. Agrawal. For mathematics or engineering mathematics subject, best book is MEDIGI Publications or ACE Academy. I will recommend you, please follow MEDIGI Publications books or study material for your preparations. For English, there is no book required. You just follow only the Hindu app or read news from there, then it is enough for English. For GATE and IS previous year solutions, if you want to GATE or IS previous year solution, then I will recommend you, please follow MEDIGI Publications books. All the study material or books link I will be mentioned in description box. You can download, you can click and buy your books from online website like Amazon or Flipkart. For self study, please arrange handwritten notes yourself, either MEDIGI Publications or ACE Academy. or both. If possible both, try to follow different sources for study. Please do not depend on single source of study material or single coaching institute. Please follow different types of source, multiple source for study. Please also, you can also take help from YouTube channels. Many YouTubers make a video on all these topics. You can purchase on book from online. I will mention link in the description box. Now come to the next point about preparation strategy. For preparations of GATE exam, please first you have to solve all the previous year GATE exams paper. Then also solve all the previous year IS conventional exam paper. It will also help in GATE exams. IS conventional paper is a very conceptual paper. Some of questions are very useful in GATE exams also. Please solve all the previous year common paper of GATE exams as well as conventional paper. If you have EC branch, then you can also some common paper in electrical branch, then you can also solve their questions paper or their common paper for GATE exam as well as IS conventional exams. Please solve Kanodiya GATE publications for book for GATE preparation strategy. In Kanodiya GATE publications book there is a lot of mistakes, but avoid this lot of mistakes. Try to solve Kanodiya GATE publications books. It will help you on GATE preparation. For mathematics and reasoning aptitude, please solve all the previous year all branch paper. For test series point of view, you can join either MadeEasy test series or ACE Academy. If possible, please join both test series. It will help you to gain more marks in GATE exams. Now come to the next point, why students fail in GATE exams. Many students fail in exams or failure in exams because of many reasons. Some of reasons I listed below. Many students fail because of they not enough practice of questions paper, no proper study plan or routine, no proper study material or guidance, not focusing on basics, not making any short notes of important formula or concept. This also cause or reason for student failure in exams. He or she join multiple test series, more than 2 test series, but not giving test paper. They only give few test paper or not analyze their mistakes after each test. Many students doing these types of mistakes. They don't try to solve unsolved or new type of questions. Many students doing these types of mistakes, they not solve unsolved or new types of questions. That's why their mind is not developed for new questions. While giving paper or online paper of GATE examination, please careful about some of these points which are given below. Avoid calculation mistakes or silly mistakes. These mistakes many students do. Many students doing these types of mistakes. Please avoid calculation mistakes or silly mistakes. All these mistakes will be pass out through only test series. If you giving more tests, then all the mistakes, all the problems will be automatically reduces. Try to do easy question first. If you do easy question first or tough later, this will help you in GATE exams. Please solve question step by step procedure. Don't try to do so much in one step. It will create complex situations or chance of doing mistakes in a questions. Read questions carefully about what questions really asks. Means question what question asked is which is true or which is not true. What units they have asked in milliampere or microampere or milli or micro. Careful about minus signs if you have doing gate paper. Sum of answer or fill in the blanks will be in minus sign. Suppose our answer is in minus 70. If fill in the blanks is 70, then it will create mistakes. So please try to avoid this kind of mistakes. If you giving more tests, all these mistakes will be automatically wash out. Never spend more time on a particular questions. If you spend more time on a questions, then it will create problem in a paper or in a exams. Don't try to solve fast questions, but try to solve correctly. Sometime making or click on wrong answer even if you are doing or solve it correctly. Many students doing these types of mistakes because of fast response or time limitations of gate exams. Many students solve their answer correctly but tick on the wrong answer. Please carefully about all these types of mistakes. Please avoid all these types of mistakes. It will be never happen in our paper. If you are preparing for gate exams, please divide your Scrabble pad into two parts. Means your Scrabble pad is just like this. You will divide in two parts or number them from 1 to 65. Suppose before examinations, Scrabble pad will be given to us, then we have a time for this doing this. Divide our Scrabble pad in two parts and number them from 1 to 65. This will also help in gate exam. Suppose if you want to see any questions or your solutions, if you left in half, then you can see easily in minimum times. Try to do or try to careful about all these points. Thank you friends, thank you so much. If you satisfied with my video, please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel also. Thank you friend, thank you so much.